So we have an example here where someone was accidentally charged sales tax when they shouldn't have been. So what we need to do is we need to essentially back out that sales tax to get back to the original price. Now, this is a question where students often run into trouble because in their head, they create this false equivalence. They know from all the previous problems that we've done that if you want to add or even remove a percentage, you take the original price, you multiply by the percentage, and then you either add or subtract it depending on whether you want to increase or decrease. And that doesn't work here. Right? It doesn't work here. And the reason why is in all those other examples that we've done, it's a percentage of the original price that you either add or subtract. Well, we don't know the original price here. We know the final price. Right? And if you take a percentage of that final price, which was greater than the original, you're going to get the wrong amount. Right, so here's how we're going to solve this. Right? We're going to use this basic equation here. This is how we do sales tax. You take the list price, you add the tax, and that gives you the final price. Right, now let's be a little more specific. That tax amount there is in dollars. You remember we did this in a previous example. To calculate the sales tax in dollars, you take the list price and you multiply it by the tax rate. Right, so let's go ahead and put that in there, right, for the tax. Now, we know the tax rate, that's 3.5%. We know the final price, that's $822.82. And it's the list price that we're trying to find. Right? So I'm going to put an X, my variable, in place of the list price in both places where it is in the equation, and I'll replace the other two parts with numbers. Now we've got an equation we can solve. Right? I'm going to take the left-hand side, I'm going to combine those two like terms together. It's going to become 1.035x equals 822.22. And if we divide both sides by 1.035, we're going to end up with our final answer. Right? The amount that they should have paid, the original price of whatever it is they were buying, was $609.05. So if you like this example, please don't forget to click on the like button down below. If you'd like to see the full context, the upper link here will take you to the lecture on percentages, and the lower link will actually take you to the next lecture in our series on percentages, where we're going to talk about how we calculate the percent change.